Hey everyone, and welcome to another quick All About RVs video tour. Today I'm going to take you on a quick RV tour here of this brand new 2026 Salem FSX 174 DBLE. This unit comes in about 21 feet 8 inches long, and this one was about 3,290 pounds. As you can see on the floor plan it's up, this is a front bed rear bunk setup. Let's step up in here real quick and kind of check it out on the inside, and then we'll come on back to the outside. So up in the front, you got kind of an east to west bed right here. There's going to be some shelf space up there. And you also have a hanging closet here on the right. Couple lights underneath of there, individually controlled. There's a place over there for you to put a TV. Windows are a deep tint safety glass window. Looking up top right there, you're going to have some overhead cabinet space. You can also see that Furrion AC right there in the ceiling. And then there is a roof vent and fan right up there. A decent amount of counter space. High-rise faucet there. Window behind that opens. Electric outlet, 2-burner gas stove top. Does have the little light up knobs, flip up and down glass lid. Gives you a little more counter space when you're not actually cooking and using it. Down below there is your propane furnace, and then there's an electric box with the breakers and fuses. You have the ever-chilled 12-volt powered refrigerator right here. Then you do have a decent amount of space underneath of that sink area for storage, and 3 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers right there. Looking over here on this side, we're going to have some more overhead cabinet space up there. Nice large window overlooking your awning or door side area right there. And you have a decent little dinette area right here. And there is storage underneath of this. You have a double bunk. Window up there does open. Digital thermostat there for your furnace and your AC. And then you got another bunk area right down here. Now this bunk right here will actually flip up, and there is a decent amount of storage underneath of there too. Now obviously if you flip it up, it's easier to get to, but you don't have to flip it up to get to it if somebody's in there sleeping. It's a great place for like the kids' toys or little totes or stuff for their clothes or whatever. But a little unit like this makes a great starter unit. This is less than $15,000 the way this one was set up. Vent up there. Little step-in shower set up here. You're going to have foot flush toilet. There is some storage underneath of that sink area. Nice little mirror. Let's go in here, kind of step into the shower and see what kind of looks like from this other angle here. But overall, for a little unit like this, it's a pretty decent sized bathroom. But again, very nice, smaller starter unit for the family here. Again, this one was a little under $15,000. This customer also added a backup camera to it, which is a nice aftermarket item you might consider. And then they also did like a very nice weight distribution hitch. I'll show you that when we get back outside here. But right here, you're going to have a button for your power awning, light switch, water heater on gas button here. And you also have your water pump, monitor panel for your holding tanks. Traditional screen door. A little bit of space down here. And the bed, by the way, does raise up. So there is storage underneath of that. You can get to it from in here, or you can also get to it from outside. All right, let's run around the outside real quick. Thanks for hanging in there, guys. Just wanted to do a quick tour on this one for you. So this is an aluminum sided wood studded RV and some vinyl graphics. Fiberglass entry door there, double entry step to get you in and out. It is a single axle unit, drum brakes, steel wheels, easy lube hub, electric outlet out here, power awning with the LED glow bar. It does have adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head. It has heavy duty scissor jacks on the rear, 4-inch square tube bumper, spare tire mounted on the back. And then you can see right up there in the top center, this customer added the Furrion rear observation camera. It comes pre-prepped for that from the factory. You can get that aftermarket or from your dealer or whatever. Talk with your dealer about that. In the top left up there, it was also prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That's a very nice ladder that would allow you to climb up and down, on and off your roof, basically telescopes up. So you can get up here and inspect your seams and your seals and all that type of stuff, but just kind of climbing up here real quick so you can get an idea what it looks like. AC up there, your couple roof vents, couple plumbing stack vents, and then it's prepped over there for solar panel. So if you wanted to add an aftermarket solar panel to it or whatever, you could do so. Talk with your salesperson about doing that. Now, looking right on down below underneath of here, you can see the hot and cold low point water drains. Again, those jacks and your gray and black tank dump area right there also. City water inlet, and then you have your detachable 30 amp power cord, and then you're gonna have your 6-gallon water heater, freshwater tank fill, furnace exhaust. And then right under here, this is back underneath that bed area where you got some storage, and you can also see the Blue Ox weight distribution hitch system this customer went with. That's a nice aftermarket hitch system. Talk with your salesperson about maybe adding something like that. Now, some very, very important informational stuff for you. So for example, this production date sticker tells you the month and year it was built, your model number, but most importantly, it tells you your gross vehicle weight. This is the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. This is 3,935 pounds. That's the way they set it up. You're gonna have an exterior length of 21 feet, 8 inches. Now this one, when it rolled off the assembly line with all these options, 3,290 pounds. So 3,290 pounds with a gross weight of 3,935. Tire size was an ST 205 75R14 D range tire. Now you can kind of see here in the front section, it does have a nice roundedness to the front, trying to make it a little bit more aerodynamic. Has a lower gray metal, and then you have an upper white metal. Single 20-pound propane tank, heavy-duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, 2 5/16 hitch ball. There is room for a battery or two to go on the front, depending on the size of the batteries you go with. But overall, a very nice, again, entry-level style travel trailer here for the family. You can check these out at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV. Give them a shot. Give them a call, 888-417-8299, extension 203.